you planning to get your first credit card but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? If you're scratching your head trying to understand which one to choose, don't worry. On Republic Money, I will break down the key things to watch out before you snag the shiny new card for your spending fun. Using credit card is like borrowing money from the bank every time you make a purchase. You get a bill at the end of the month to pay it back. But if you don't pay on time, guess what? The bank charges you extra. Which brings me to the first thing you need to know, interest rates. So what are interest rates? Think of it as a fee the bank charges if you don't pay back the full amount on time. For example, if you buy something for rupees 1000 and don't pay it back, that rupees 1000 becomes more expensive because of the interest. So low interest credit cards can help you save money if you are making a big purchase or if you need extra time to pay off your balance. Usually, rates in the range of 1.5% to 2.99% per month are considered as low when it comes to credit cards. For example, take the SBI Simply Save Advantage. It has an interest rate of 2.5% per month. Not too high, not too low, just a solid middle ground. Then there's the HDFC Infinia credit card. It is also sitting at 2.5% per month. Now, if you're after something even lower, the SBI Prime Advantage comes in at 1.99% per month. Now you're thinking a 2 to 3% interest rate is no big deal. Think again. If you buy an iPhone and can't pay it off quickly, those interest charges will start to add up. To save yourself from a hefty bill, aim for shorter EMIs on big buys. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. Well, interest rate is not the only point. Did you know some cards charge you just for having them? Yes, that's called an annual fee. And if you forget to pay on time, there's a late fee too. To give you an idea of annual fee, let's dive into some top credit cards for 2024 recommended by Paisabazaar report. First, there's the Cashback SBI card. It has a joining fee and annual fee of rupees 999 each. Next on report, we have the Axis Bank ACE credit card. This card has a joining fee and annual fee of rupees 499 each. It is one of the most affordable choices. Then there we have the HDFC Regalia Gold. It is bit pricier with a joining fee and annual fee of rupees 2500. Another great pick is the SBI Prime credit card. It comes with a joining fee and annual fee of rupees 2999. What you should know is, these are just some of the top picks, but there are n number of cards available out there on higher joining fee and higher annual fee, like the Club Vistara IDFC First and HDFC Dinners Club Black credit card. Are you now feeling a bit nervous for your wallet hearing about all the charges? So why get a credit card, you ask? Well, that's where the rewards and benefits come in. If you are someone who's always on the move and loves to travel, you're going to want a card that makes those journeys smoother. For the travel buffs out there, options like Axis Bank ACE credit card or IndusInd Bank Aura Edge credit card might just be your best friends. They offer great perks like travel lounge access and accelerated reward points on travel bookings. Now, if you're more into online shopping and love snagging deals, then you have got options too. Cards like the SBI Simply Save and the Amazon ICICI Pay are perfect for maximizing rewards on your online purchase. Imagine getting cashback or reward points just for shopping online. For those movie nights and entertaining evenings, cards like the Kotak PVR Gold is fantastic. It offers some great perks for cinema lovers and can make your movie outings more enjoyable. And if dining out is your thing, look into the HDFC Bank Dinners Club credit card and many like this. It gives you amazing dining privileges and discounts that make eating out even more delightful. While these are some top choices, remember that there are many other credit cards out there, each offering unique benefits. As per your spending patterns, choosing the best credit card is subjective. To find the right one, you must always analyze your wallet. Now, spending seems fun, right? It's the time for lavish, unlimited shopping, you feel? Wait, be careful. You need to know about credit limit also. This is how much money the bank lets you borrow each month. Just because you can spend it all doesn't mean you should. Using too much can hurt your credit score, which is like your financial report card. Try to spend only 30% of your limit to keep that score high. Lastly, for the right usage, don't forget the fine print. Those long boring terms at the bottom of your page, those. They often hide important details about fees or how rewards really work. Take a minute to read them or ask questions before signing up for any credit card that you consider.